technologically speaking, on a fundamental level, right? And me with the game.
Right.
Yeah, that's what I mean.
Sure. Welcome. Hi guys, welcome back to another video. So today I'm going to a spa. So I say, I remember just Kia with me, right? So I just call this spend the day with me. Right. That me go call it. So you don't know anything say. I'm there with the big boss. A day, right? So spend the day with us, okay? So yeah.
Some things that people do me not the past. Now like I'm perfect, everybody have them flaws. And before that movie thing, enough for them I wear a mask, yeah. But you keep trying to run the box, yeah. I to come with a class, I feel like you know what I'm here. Every time your heart too big, my lad, them take you for a fool, man. This is why me not like you, man. This is why me not like you, man. So no, and we can't do just now, girl. Remember what you do, man. This is why me not like you, man. This is why me not like you, man. So no.
Reach your destination. Actually reach, let me see, 2 minutes early because we got a 9 o'clock appointment. I'm gonna do a facial, so, and he's gonna do one also. He's getting pampered today. So that we're gonna do. So come. How you feeling?
Good.
What you want to tell the people them?
You go put yourself on subscripts.
Funny you mean you?
Subscripts to the you. See? Yeah, man. Right.
So we're going here. Up.
Okay.
Getting his facial. What then you do?
Subscripts.
Right now. You can schedule an appointment for the. He's allowing his face to dry with the mask. You want to see him? Yeah, one. Ooh. It's my time. Guys, see ya. Ooh, mate. What's something about that process there, but my face do look really good. Guys, you see when you see people put up these stuff on any social platform and you say, alright, I'm getting the extraction done, and you still have music, it is to block out the noise and the pain where the people them are through, that them are try to block out. Because me I tell you say this is so hot. Let me tell you say the pain me say guys, me tell you say me feel like my nose is gonna drop off. That's how the pain is. Terrible, man. It's just the good thing is that you know them get when it's supposed to get up. But that them are gonna read cause you know them squeeze up. But yeah. It was a process though, you know, it was a process. How about you?
Rough, but it was worth it though. It was worth
Right.
it. It was.
Right. Well, leave out I know I get something to eat.
Mm-hmm. What do you feel for today? What are you in the mood for?
A long time I eat a piece of Kentucky Fried Chicken.
Alright. Kentucky Fried Chicken it is. Yeah?
Alright. Hi guys again. So we reach home. We already got eat the KFC and everything and whatever. But when we reach home, oh guys, this is Kishay. Say hi, Kishay. Hi. Say subscribe to the YouTube channel. So today, in this evening, we decided, you know, it's a long time when I play ABC Fast or so. So I said, come on, you do it now, but we'll just video it and see how it
Alright,
goes.
so I tell you a long time I don't play this thing. I remember how it play, I don't know it's set up, no. But
And I've never
I'm
heard
going
about this.
Hey!
So let's see. So we're gonna set up the paper. We're going to have boy, girl, animal. So boy, girl, animal, place, thing, and food. So we're gonna set up the and total at the end. So we set up that and come back. So boy. So let us begin.
Alright, what you have to ask me?
We can do it
Alright.
whatever. So me can ask you first. So all you got is if me ask you and you are gonna tell when we fi stop. So I gonna tell when fi right. So I'm gonna ask you now. ABC fast or slow?
Slow. Stop. Oh, I remember now.
Alright, so let's you get it now.
I wish I could get that part.
F.
Okay, I didn't
So you if it's so we're going to get an F for every word.
You're gonna find a word that begins with F. So boy name will start with F,
Girl name start with F.
Animal name,
a thing,
F, a place, thing,
and food with F. You have to hurry up because guess what, the aim is to finish so you can get 100 because the total. So if two of us get get the same word, it's 50. If 3 of us get the same word, it's 25. Alright, now so ready for begin and you are gonna tell when we start.
Ready, man.
So F is the letter, so ready, say, go.
Yes, I'm here with this. Ask guys. Like. So who won't to start?
You will be saying
Stop.
Yeah, you don't know that, so you put him to stop.
Stop.
So, where are boy?
Fitzroy.
Where are boy?
You know, from just put flame.
Me a Fabian. So that's on cross out it, put 100 up on top.
So
Above it?
Right.
So cross
Right.
out and put 100.
Right. Okay, can nobody not have it. You can just put 100 right here beside it. Right. Where have a girl?
Fiona.
Where you have a girl?
Flora.
Yeah, face.
Alright,
Animal.
frog.
Where you have?
You never know how to lie head.
So 0. Frogs.
I don't know if I couldn't think of nothing else.
Don't see it. So,
Did you look see if I go pick it up?
where have a place?
Fontana.
Where have a place? 0. May I found one?
You tell you I have 0 for everything else.
That's okay, baby.
Thing.
Fun.
Flag.
Hey,
Where you have the food?
Prize.
Where you have? Fry fish.
Hey, 100.
And you see I'm gonna put fish of animal? So add it up now.
550. I mean, what may I lead?
200.
Yeah, 550.
200.
Oh, alright.
Alright, baby.
Yeah, go on. You ask me now.
ABC fast or slow?
Fast, start, stop. C.
No.
Done.
Ah, Christ.
You done?
I mean, no, I'm the OG ticket or something. I have Christ.
Me don't know animal
You
or
show your
place.
steer.
Me don't animal or place.
No matter what tell what you have, man. Alright, come
I
here.
wait up a boy.
Clive.
Wait up a boy.
Conroy.
Me have Conroy too.
Exactly.
No! 50. You need to
Wow.
stop it, you know?
Why?
You need to stop it. Girl.
Okay. Cornelia. You know, you know
Is
what
that even a word I know?
Me have Camille. Wait up the animal.
Catfish.
Wait up the animal.
Nothing.
I have camel. Wait up the place.
Caravan.
Car what?
Caravan, man.
Where you have the place? Canada. Wait up the thing.
Cat. Remember that.
That's an
Thing?
animal.
Thing.
What's an animal?
You wrong. Catfish thing.
That's an animal.
Right. Wait up the thing.
Clamp.
I have corned beef thing.
1 minute, I have to make it. Alright, I'm mistaken.
Wait up the food.
Cornbread.
Wait up the food.
Chicken.
You have corn. Alright.
Why? Alright, I get to it now. One right. You don't know what you.
In light.
Alright, come.
Alright,
So you can ask Kishi. The one who scores already.
ABC fast or slow?
It's again.
What's your add up?
ABC fast or slow?
Come on, you're not in the frame. See, you're not in the frame. Right, ABC fast or slow?
Fast.
I'm my access still.
ABC, you tell me when to stop.
Stop.
T.
D.
T.
T. T. T.
Don't. I will be stop. Well, Kishi, call the shots. Go ahead. Right. You finish?
You finish?
Mid down.
You're
So
done.
don't write until you
And
finish.
when you finish, you must stop.
Yeah. I'm killing you.
Which one?
Hmm?
Which one? Animal or what? Which one?
Thing and food.
You don't want food to start with tea, man. Which tea? Which one?
Animal with tea.
Yes. Are you fit with this stuff in the kitchen? Anytime, Mary?
You know, just stop.
Alright, you want to be 100 meters or no?
Alright, we have a boy.
Tomlinson.
We have a boy.
Korean.
I have to Zane.
It's a
We have a girl.
Tanisha.
We have a girl.
Tanya.
Oh, I got Tamika.
No, we won't do that.
We have the animal.
Tortoise.
Wow, we have the animal.
Turtle.
Is troll an animal?
Truly no animal. It's a fairy tale creature.
I mean, it's a troll.
One,
This must
what's
feel
the
good.
cartoon?
We can't hit the points, no.
No. Come. I have
Today's Toronto.
Like you. Sure.
You got the same thing though.
Wow, I didn't stop it. Wait, I have to sing. What?
Right
You see
again.
how
No.
You're weird. You're weird.
Let me keep on under that.
Wow.
Because
Yo, it's an animal.
Turtle is a
but then you still think though.
No, it's an
No,
animal.
it's an animal. You have animal and thing.
Yeah.
Yes, there are things, but you have an animal. You have
Wait, I have to sing. Like man.
I agree that.
Turtle is an
Go
animal.
ahead.
Wait, I have to sing. I have tomato skin.
If we have vegetables as a heading,
Tortilla.
Torwati
What?
or tortilla.
The
I
food.
don't know. But that kind of
Oh man,
Californian
I have tomato.
tomato for food. You're looking to write that thing up. Because if we didn't think of that would have right.
Can't believe me, right? Alright.
So that 1, 2.
Alright.
I see I'm 300.
Come.
So for this round, whatever points you get after you finish this section, you double it. So anybody can win this round basically win the entire game. You get it?
Right.
So that's how you're gonna do it. See? I mean I go Winston, so there's a wasting time.
Stop it right
Yeah.
now.
Let's go.
Come ask me if you just say stop. So kishe
ABC fast.
fast. This is
Let me ask you again.
fast.
Okay, let me ask you again. ABC fast or slow?
Fast. Start. Stop.
J. Alright, I'm done.
No!
I'm done. Stop.
No, Bert, no!
Yeah! Come, Kishe, where happy boy?
Okay, Java.
Yeah, where happy boy? Where happy boy? Happy boy. Happy boy.
James.
John Brown.
John.
My youth, me not.
Girl.
Janet.
Girl.
Jasmine.
Tavia.
Yeah, go.
Animal.
Nothing.
Animal. John Crow for me as well. Place.
Place. Nothing.
Place.
Johannesburg.
Japan. Thing.
Thing. Jar.
Thing.
No, we don't do it.
Julie Mango Skin.
Food.
Food. June Plum.
Food. Jam.
1, 2, 3, 4.
1, 2, 3, 4. 400. Hey, yeah.
Well, I have to add up everything now, and then we're gonna come back and see.
Let's see.
The champion. So, the score. Nobody not sabotage. The score has started. So let me hear you. What's yours?
1,650.
Wow. Give her a round of applause. What's your score? What's your score?
2,600.
Let's give him a round of applause.
Sabotage it.
Nobody knows sabotage it. And my score is 3,050. You won. Which means your girl is the winner. Henceforth, my total score is 3,600. Woo! Come on.
him. Hey.
You see? What you saying, sir?
That's too much.
I'm saying, sir, the race is not for the swift or humble calf or you see them what I'm saying there?
You know what?
Yeah, man. Then what I'm saying there when I'm saying?
Hey, man. And the worst thing, I make me sure so I'm in the lead, you know?
Right.
I
Yeah,
don't
you
know the
were,
line.
yeah.
I'm in the lead, you know?
Mm-hmm.
I don't know something know what going the last part bring short circuit.
You were leading until the
Nah,
second to
right.
last round, which we catch up the back and then versus that last round, yeah?
Anyway, I'm gonna get them 3 them, man. Them 2 them. They get thing and food up in a dead night show, man.
So how much we get? 1, 2, 3.
So guys, I am the winner.
Show off.
Then we'll come again to test the champion, is it? So guys,
They like that.
I wish you could do
This
2 videos in one day.
bring us to the end of the video. We hope you enjoy it. Please remember to like, comment, share, and subscribe.
Do the
Right thing.
thing.
I hope you enjoy my day.
Bye.
Bye guys.
Latanya play one game like again, mommy.
I'm Theo then.
And they sabotage me, eh?
I'm Theo.
They sabotage me too, man. You see, you and Kishe, technologically speaking, on a fundamental level, right? And me with the game.
Right.
Yeah, that's what I mean. When
Sure.
I stop on the 12, you see.
Sure, yeah man.
We gonna got nasty.
You sure.
Our video and hope you remember to turn on your post notification to notify you when there's another video.
Guys, we're gonna leave on with one phrase. You see, after that, no one gonna do what to do, so just do
The right thing. Do the right thing. Listen, we do the